Hey guys, it's Christina here with Bosslaser, and in this video we're going to be using the PiBurn 4.0 Rotary Boss Edition to engrave this wine glass. As we place the wine glass on the rotary, we want to make sure the front and the back of the glass is secure on the rollers. The tension clamp will help keep the glass in place and not roll off. We also made sure that both the front and the back stops were pressed up against the glass. Make sure to tighten them after making the adjustment. Lastly, use the vertical adjustment wheel to make sure the glass is level. Now we're ready to run our file. We've got our rotary set up on an LS1630 with a 100-watt CO2 laser tube. Our settings are running at 400 millimeters a second at 15% power with no air. Keep in mind your settings may vary depending on your machine wattage. We're also using our filter box expand to exhaust any smoke and fume from the engraving. Save over $1,500 on the LS1630 from February 6th to the 19th. And don't forget to include our newest accessory, the PiBurn 4.0 Rotary. If you're new to Bosslaser, go ahead and give us a follow on all of our social media platforms. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call and we'd be more than happy to speak with you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.